Alright guys, so me and Cody have just talked about this and we are just now kind of deciding because this is a relatively small project for us and generally things go wrong on projects, even of small sizes, but this one I do not foresee anything actually going wrong. So we're trying to make this as fun as possible. We had to load up this morning, we got here at about 10 o'clock, so we were talking about potentially taking bets on how long we think it's going to take to tear this water feature out. So, Cody, what do you think?
25 minutes because of this guy.
He's got 25 minutes because of that guy. That's what he's thinking to tear this out. I'm thinking 35 minutes. That's what I'm thinking it's going to take. Because the preformed tub coming out, the plumbing and everything, I think it's going to be a little more work than Cody's guessing. So, yeah. Looking like lunch might be on this guy. So, here we go. Alright guys, so we're officially torn out. You know, initially when I said 35 minutes, I meant just me alone, not with Cody's help. So now we are sitting just shy of 14 minutes from the time we started tear out to the time we completed tear out. So it looks like I owe Cody lunch. Let's see if we can rebuild this thing in 14 minutes. No, I'm kidding. Get to work. Sometimes you just get to the point where your water feature becomes so much work that you can no longer enjoy it. So that is actually the exact case that we have going on here today. So hey guys, Tristan Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping. You guys are about to witness me, Cody, and Hunter renovate this small scale water feature. So a lot of things I want to touch up about this real quick is it is an existing water feature. It does not hold water, and the pump is constantly having issues because it's not a pump that's meant to live in the bottom of the pond. So many things wrong, but sometimes we don't have it within the budget to put a skimmer box on these things, to put a large-scale biological filter, and sometimes you don't even have the space to do stuff like that. In correspondence to the size of the pond, it just doesn't make any sense. So what we are doing here today, we are actually tearing out this preformed tub pond, ripping out this giant rock stack and anthill of waterfalls, doing a retention wall, and then building a small-scale pond is what it actually is, not a pondless waterfall, with a nice little stream and waterfall going out into it, and then a submersible pump that is meant to live in the bottom of your pond. So because we don't have a ton of debris and stuff that is around this pond to clog it up all the time, that is what is going to make this feasible without breaking the bank completely. So you guys stay tuned. We're about to start ripping this thing out. Let's get to it. All right, so there we have it, guys. So this is a super fun renovation project, absolutely huge impact in a smaller space in the backyard. It has been a blast out here. Some pretty big stones for a pretty small water feature as far as it's concerned, but we got all the stuff in there right to try to keep the maintenance to a minimum as possible while getting as most enjoyment out of this water feature as you can. So once again, we appreciate you guys staying tuned with us for the journey. We do it for you, so please like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you guys next time.